Hello everyone, I am Rupinder Kaur, Department of Hotel Management, RPIIT Campus Karnal. Today my topic is types of napkin fold. Napkin fold is an art, so why not we impress our guests before they have take a single bite. So let's start. In this video I have discussed types of napkin fold. In another video I have also discussed step by step the napkin folds. So let's start and add a special touch to your dinner, lunch or any breakfast. The first is Lotus Fold. It is a type of napkin fold. We are mostly used in our hotel or any outlet, even our home also. Number 2, the triple pocket napkin fold. In this, we put the cutlery in this napkin fold. It should be presentable. The third is Rosebud Fold. The next is the fillable pouch. It is also similar with the different multi-layer pouch. The next is star fold, the tree fold, bow fold and butterfly fold. It like a butterfly. The t-shirt fold. In the same we add tall art with these folds. And the next is opera fold. And then last the heart fold. It is very presentable in front of your guest. And the last is water lily fold. These are the some types of napkin fold which we can use in our house or home or any restaurant to present or you add a special touch to any meal. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel RPIIT Academic. Thank you.